Willow, what's it like being 5?
Good.
Yeah? Do you still have the same taste in music?
Yeah.
Do you still have the same taste in clothes?
Yeah.
Do you feel like a bigger girl?
Yeah.
Oh. Mimi? What's it?
Actually.
Oh. Mimi,
Yeah.
how does it feel for you to be 5?
A bogey.
Ugh. You feel like a bogey?
No.
Oh, sticky and gooey.
Fun.
Oh, it's fun.
And I like being a flower.
You like being a flower?